Okay, I've done a couple of things that are upgrades, driving up the price of the sawmill. One of them is I've put on a Kevlar belt, okay, brand new one. It's an inch longer than the other one. And also I've put on a centrifugal clutch. It is a true one-hand operation now. I have installed log hold downs, okay, adjustable. In the center for shorter logs, I have just put a stop. It doesn't stand up any more than about 9/16 of an inch for that one and that one. The end one has a nut welded on it. See if I can get around there to it so you can see it. It's a nut welded on it. It can't go down any further than 9/16 of an inch. One more update. I have cut 6 inches off from the carriage on this side of the carriage on each side. Move my wheels up a little bit, and that allows for a 10-foot 4 log. So now it's capable of cutting a 10-foot 4 log. Actually 10-foot 6, but 10-foot 4 would be optimal. Okay, the log hold downs, cheap, easy, simple. Okay, a 7/16 threaded rod. Got a nut welded in the end of a pipe. Made a little crank so it'll crank into a log. I'll show you how that works in a second. That side, just a piece of angle with 5/8 concrete reinforcement rod. On this side is a piece of this pipe, cut about 3/4 of an inch long, welded onto a piece of bed frame, and then leg screwed into the frame. And I've done that 3 places on this side. There's the middle, and there's the far. And the reason for that is cutting short logs. I can cut a short log now. See there? Now, slide this end up, right? And you can crank it right into the log now. And it will hold it down. It'll hold it fast. Okay, I have updated also one of the other things that is driving the price up is I remounted the tires. These are probably the original tires. Let me zoom out here. Zoom out. Okay. These are probably the original tires. And I blew one. I blew the drive. I would imagine it's getting a little bit old and hard, and there's about 6 inches missing. So, purchased a couple of blue polys, and they'll be here on the 22nd. Won't be able to run the saw until after that. When it broke that drive tire, it threw my blade, right there's my blade, it threw it in the air halfway to the road. Then it rolled another, I don't know, quarter and fell, because the grass was a little bit higher then. Okay, my price, the project was, the goal was to make it for under $500. I am under $500, and I have a price, and I'll show you that in text. I think it's about 430 bucks, but I'll put a notation on the bottom so you can see it. Again, we're really close. As soon as the drive tires come in, we'll be ready to go. Show you the pulley arrangement for raising and lowering. Still, we have the split 2-inch with a tightening mechanism. We split the cable. The one coming from the winch going over here and back over to there and down is the long cable. The short cable is this side, and it's put together with 2 cable clamps. Works great. And one click on that side, on the right side equals 1 click on the left side. Works great. I really recommend something like that. I think though I should put another clamp on. 3 clamps for that size cable. Just to make sure. Okay, well I guess that's it for right now. I'll update you as soon as the tires come in and I get a little further along. Okay? Ta-ta for now.